In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can monitor your rate limits in Claude AI, so how you can check them. And the first step is you want to sign to your account in Claude AI, alright? And then we can click on our profile in bottom left corner. And from here, we want to go to Learn More, and we want to navigate to API Console, alright? So click on API Console, and this is going to open this platform.claude.com. From here, we can monitor our usage. So if you click on Analytics or Usage under Analytics, like this, you can see all of your usage over here. So you can choose all workspaces from here. So let's say I'm going to choose default. And then you can choose also time range. So you can choose, let's say, like specific month. And then you can see all of your like tokens usage, rate limit requests, and etc. You can group it by, let's say, modal, token type, context window, and many more. You can also API key. So I can choose API key. You can also click on usage under Claude Code if you want to check usage for this. And from here you can see your activity, spend, and things like that, all right? And we can also check usage in API keys. So if you click on API keys, you can go to limits. And from here you can see your rate limits. So you can see that the requests per minute, you have 5, 10K input tokens per limit, and stuff like that, alright? So this is how you can check your rate limits in Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.